Yes, hi, I'm doing good. How are you?
Oh, not too bad. Just wanted to give you a shout back. So, you said it's a mobile home, right?
Yes, it is.
All right. Can you tell me? So I got the address, but is that in Enid or where?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Now, is that in a park or on land or what?
I own the land.
Okay. Is it? I'm trying to picture it. What's the nearest major crossroads in that area?
The Cleveland and Purdue.
Cleveland and Purdue. Okay. Let me just type this in, see if it pops up somewhere. All right. So, do you know how much land that is that has?
There's two lots.
Okay. Trying to look at it. Okay, so it looks like it is like it's kind of a mobile home park area, but everybody owns their own land. Is that what it is?
Exactly. It's
Okay.
called North Mark Estates.
Okay. All right. Well, what year was that built? Do you know?
Um, I bought it 10 years ago, and it was a 90 we'll say mid 90s.
Okay. Any idea of the square footage?
It's a 17, or excuse me, it's a 16 by 76.
16 by 76. That's 16 square feet. Okay.
No, it's 16.
16 by 76?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's 1,216 square feet total.
Oh, I see. I see.
Okay, so the lot, you have two lots. Any idea what size each lot is?
No, I have no idea. I've
Okay.
owned them for over 30 years.
Oh, wow. Okay, but you only have had the mobile home there for 10 years?
Yes.
Okay. Was it already there? Did you, I guess you put it there at that time?
I had another one there. This
Okay.
is my second one that I've had there.
Okay, cool. Oh, okay, it's a 1991. I found it online. Okay, 1991. So you're pretty close. And that is on 0.28 acres, according to what I see online. Does that sound about right?
I have no idea.
It's probably about right for two different lots. So tell me about it. Why are you selling? Are you moving away, or what's going on?
No, I'm not moving away. The mobile home itself is falling apart,
Okay.
and I do not have the resources to fix it. So I'm forced to sell it and sell the property so I can get me another house.
I got you. Are you staying in Enid, or are you gonna move somewhere
Yes.
else? Okay.
No, I'm going to stay here.
Okay. Fair enough. Now, if we were to come to an agreement, are you looking to do something pretty quick, or not really in a time crunch?
Yes, as quick as possible.
Okay. Now let me. Since it's 1216, I'm guessing that's a 3 bed, 2 bath. Is that right?
There's one room that could be used as an office or as a bedroom. Yes,
Okay.
so it could be a 3 bedroom.
Is there 2 bathrooms or just one?
No, there's two.
Okay. Okay. No garage. You just have your own parking. Now, is that a paved parking or just okay? It is paved, right?
Yes,
I see
yes,
that.
it is.
Okay. That's good. Now, tell me about the condition of the interior. You say it's falling apart. Like, can you be specific? What exactly is going on?
There's holes in the floor. I don't know if it's the levelment of it or exactly what, but the walls are like crumbling.
The walls
So
are
there's holes.
okay.
There's holes in the floor, and the walls are crumbling.
Okay. Now, does this place have central heat and air?
No, it does not.
What kind of air conditioning do you have?
I have a window unit.
Okay. What about for heat?
It's central for that, I guess. There is a heater on the inside.
So
It does not work at the moment.
Okay, so it
But
actually, when it does work, it blows through like vents from the ceiling or what?
yes, it has vents in the floor.
Okay. Oh, in the floor. Okay. All right. So that's good. It's got ducting at least.
Yes.
Now, what about your plumbing and electrical? What kind of shape is that in?
The electrical needs to be redone. That's why I'm forced to sell it, because there was a small fire, a short, and they can't find it. So the city of Enid said that it all needed to be redone.
Okay.
And I don't have the resources to redo it.
Okay. I understand. Now, are you living in the property right now?
Yes, I am, because I have nowhere else to go.
Okay. And you don't have electricity right now, right?
That is correct.
Man, that's tough, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's been that way since October.
Oh, man. How have you been staying warm?
I have a gas heat or a gas cook stove.
Oh, okay. That's at least you have that, right?
Yes.
All right, that's good. But we got to get you out of there before you start sweating to death, huh? It's going to start getting warm soon.
That's why it's pretty immediate.
Yeah, for sure. Now, Eileen, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, sorry I missed your name up earlier. I thought it was an I
That's-
or an L instead of an I.
That's okay. Everybody does it with the way the eyes look. It looks
Yeah.
like an L.
Yeah, for sure. All right. Well, yeah. I mean, I just want to be totally honest with you. We do buy mobile homes, but we typically don't pay more than a grand or so, just because they're just not really worth anything, especially in really bad shape like yours is.
Right.
So really, we would just be purchasing the land now,
Right.
based
and I
on.
knew that walking into this.
Okay, cool. Now, based on just the land value alone, what do you think that's worth?
I don't know what they're going for. 10 years ago, I knew that they were going for $15,000 a piece.
Yeah. I mean, that's kind of what I'm looking at too. I would say it's probably worth around that, probably. Just the land value, maybe a little less because it is in a mobile home park, which is a little less desirable for some people. But nevertheless,
The school district, though, will make up for that.
Okay.
Everybody wants to be in the school district.
And what is that?
Chisholm.
Okay, cool. That's good to know. Chisholm. How do you spell Chisholm? That's a difficult word.
CHISHOLM.
OLM. Okay, got it. Okay, so Chisholm School District. Yeah, so that's good. But if let's just say it is worth 15,000, obviously what we are is a real estate investment company, so we're in this to make a profit. Of course, there'll be a cost just moving the mobile home off to be able to even try to promote it for sale. And we do have it. One thing going against us is the fact that it is in a mobile home park. It's not as desirable as land out out in the country by itself or something like that. So given those situations, I mean, what's the lowest you think you'd be able to take for it? Because like I said, we do have to be able to resell it to make it worth our time, to make a small profit. But at the same time, we want to make win-win situations.
And see, that's good, because I have to have something to be able to go and buy something else with.
Yes, I understand.
So probably, I'm guessing, I don't know this for sure because I haven't really thought about it, but I'm guessing 25.
25 what?
$1,000.
Oh yeah, we couldn't.
Because
we wouldn't be able to help
there's
you.
2 lots, so they're 15,000 apiece.
Yeah.
And I'd have to have at least 25, because I'd have closing costs, and I have moving costs, and I have all these other costs that I'll have to deal with too.
Yeah, I totally understand. Typically, when we buy for cash, we cover all those costs, so that part would be off of your plate. However, looking online, I believe that this .28 acres is considering both lots. That's what both of them are, and both together, I believe, is worth about 15 together.
Oh, I'm sorry, I can't take that low.
Yeah, we couldn't do that high even. So yeah, that's why I said we probably can't help you.
Yeah.
I think your best bet, honestly, would be to try to just get a realtor and see what happens. It's going to take a lot of time and probably, but at least they can hopefully try to get it sold for you. Just kind of market it as land only. So I would try to search out a local Enid realtor that specializes in just land sales. That would be my recommendation. Because for a cash deal, we would have to be a lot less than 15 even. So I know you need more than that. So that doesn't make sense for either one of us. But, since you got to get out of there, because you need something else, I would definitely search out a local realtor, but definitely make sure they're specialized in land, because that's a lot different than selling a house or something. You know what I mean? Because they already deal in just land purchases and sales. So that's what I would do.
All righty.
Does that help?
Thank you for your time.
Yeah, no problem. I hope you can get it sold quickly.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks, Eileen. See you later.
Bye-bye.
There you go, guys. You can't buy every property. All you have to do is be transparent with people, tell them the truth, and tell them what you can or can't do. If you can't do it, refer them out. I don't know any realtors in Enid. I do know one, but I know she doesn't specialize in land. To really best serve her, she needs to find a land realtor. I don't know that she'll ever get the $25,000 she wants, but hey, it's more than I could give her, because I'd probably only give her like $5,000 for that land. I got to haul away a really bad mobile home. I'm looking at it online, and it's in the middle of a bunch of other mobile homes that nobody wants to live next to. So just not worth a whole lot. So that's what you got to do, y'all. Anyways, thanks for joining me. I appreciate you guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Definitely like, drop me a comment, let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.